Hey guys, it's Hannah. We are officially 1 day away from going on our Europe trip. We are starting in Portugal, we're going through Italy, Greece, Croatia, Scotland, England, Denmark, Sweden, Finland, and we aren't getting back until January. So I thought I'd show a little bit of what we are packing, and we're trying to be pretty minimalist about it, so maybe it's helpful for people who don't want to bring a lot and just want to travel and adventure. So I guess we'll get started with what kind of backpack we're bringing. Well, I'm bringing. So this is the Deuter, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a 45-liter backpack. And it can actually stretch to be, with this extension thing, it can stretch to be 55 liters. This does count as a carry-on on most airlines, so it's kind of nice because I don't have to check any bags. And you get a lot of space on this. And I'm also bringing this backpack. It will be my personal item backpack. It fits my laptop perfectly. It's just for around town. If I need to bring my laptop places to work or whatever, I can use this backpack. The cool thing about this backpack is that, I'm not going to do it right now, but it can like compact and fold up and go into this little pocket. So that's really cool. I also have this purse that I'm probably going to just put in my backpack to go on the plane with, but this purse is really cool because it's actually a travel purse. The cool thing about it is that it is pickpocket safe. So what it does is, if you can see it, it clips right here, and so you can't actually open the zipper unless you unclip it. The other thing is it has an RFID blocker, and it is slash resistant. So I guess I'll start with what I have in my purse. In my purse I have my wallet. I also have my emergency inhaler, and most importantly my passport. And then in the front pocket I have my handy dandy portable charger here. And that's about it that's in my purse right now. I might add a few things depending on where we're going, what we're doing, all that, but that's what's in my purse right now. I try to keep it light and minimal so that I'm not carrying around a lot of things all the time. This is my laptop case. It's pretty simple and easy, pretty light. I have a MacBook, a 15-inch MacBook, and all the cords and stuff go in this front pocket here. Alright, next I'll go over the shoes that I'm packing. So I'm packing these rubber Birkenstocks. These are completely waterproof. They are great for the beach, but they also can be dressed up a little bit, and you can, go to a nicer restaurant with them. So these are gonna be perfect for like Italy beaches and for when it's a little bit hotter outside. And they have good support, they're good for walking. I also have these hiking boots. They are Basque hiking boots. I got them for Christmas a few years ago. These are really, really nice hiking boots, and I'm excited to wear them. They have great support. They're good for hiking. They're good for walking around the city. They're just great, just walking shoes in general. So these are the ones I'll be wearing on the plane too, because they are quite heavy. So anytime I get the chance to wear them instead of carry them, I'm probably gonna do that. And then my last pair of shoes that I'm bringing are my Allbirds. These are my absolute favorite tennis shoes. They're actually kind of dirty. Whoops. They're my absolute favorite shoes. They are made out of wool, so you can actually wear them with or without socks, which is really cool. They're super lightweight, and they actually have really good support and like basically memory foam on the inside. So, and they're machine washable. So these are perfect travel shoes if you're looking for travel shoes. These are a great option. Now I'll go over my toiletries, which all fit in this bag pretty much. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty proud of myself that every single toiletry item fits in this bag. So I tried with all of my toiletries to be pretty minimal and as zero waste as possible. That was kind of my goal for this whole trip. I wanted to be as zero waste as possible. So I guess we'll start off. I have my wet brush. I actually bought a small bamboo brush for this trip, but I can't find it. So I'm bringing my wet brush. I have this little container that has my makeup in it. I'm bringing concealer, a beauty blender, mascara, and then I have nail clippers, and 3 little Burt's Bees chapsticks. I have my toothbrush. This is my face lotion. It's SPF 18. This isn't plastic free, but it is vegan and cruelty free, so that's kind of nice. But I tried a lot of plastic free face lotions and I could not find one that I liked. They all made me break out, they all gave me rashes, so this is what I have for now, and I really like it. It's Andalou. I don't know if you see it. I have my all natural deodorant. This also isn't plastic free, but finding deodorants that are plastic free and actually work is really hard. So this is it's called the Healthy Deodorant. It's in La Vanilla, and it's the sports edition. It has no aluminum, no parabens, it's all natural, and it works really well for me. So if you're looking for an all natural deodorant, I highly recommend this one. So I have my seasonal daily inhaler. I have a little thing of toothpaste. I just had a lot of these from like dentist visits and stuff like that, so I decided not to buy anything that was zero waste just because I already had it and I didn't want it to go to waste. And I know that this one's gonna be used up within the first like month or so. So when it gets used up, I'm gonna look over while we're in Europe for a zero waste option. We're going to the Arctic Circle, so our skin's gonna be really dry. So this is the lotion that I actually picked up from Lush. And the cool thing about Lush is that even though these are plastic containers, they are completely 100% recycled plastic. And what they do is that you can turn them back into the store and they will reuse them. So next I'll go through my airplane bag. This is the bag that I bring in any airplane that I go on. It's kind of a trick that I've learned through traveling. It has everything I need for the airplane. So in here we have some hand sanitizer, chapstick, Tums. These are called earplanes. They are little like earplugs that help with pressure in your ear if you have problems with ear pain in airplanes. These are great. I love these. Some Advil, and then also charcoal pills. I have the whole bottle in my backpack, but I just grabbed a few for the airplane because I take these about 2 hours before a meal and they help a lot with stomach pain on an airplane. And I also have my vitamins. I have B12, I have D, and then I have my hair, skin, and nails vitamins. These help me day to day just feel better. So I have about a 90-day supply here, and then I'll probably just get more in Europe. So I also have here rock tape. This will help with, I have a lot of knee pain, and so this will help with knee pain. I just put the tape on my knees and it makes it feel a lot better. Now this is also a cool little thing. In here I have all of my little like zero waste things, I guess. I have my metal straw, my straw cleaner, my bamboo fork and spoon, and a little cloth napkin that I made actually just out of old baby towel and baby receiving blankets. So these are perfect for when you're traveling and you want to eat out or whatever, and they offer you plasticware, but you have your own things. So I also have a lock. This is a cable lock. What I usually do with this is I will take my backpack zippers and I'll put it through my zippers so that nobody can get through my backpack, and then I'll like attach it to like a post, or like if I'm at a hostel I'll attach it to my bed or something like that, so nobody can just pick up my backpack either. I also have my running phone case so that when we exercise or whatever I can have my phone on me. And then this is a little just laundry bag so I can keep my dirty laundry separate from my clean laundry. Anybody that knows me knows that I hate dirty laundry touching clean laundry, so this is the solution to that. In this very important bag are snacks. As many of you may know, I was recently diagnosed with an autoimmune disease, so I've had to go gluten-free and vegan. For the most part, I'll eat fish and seafood and stuff like that, but gluten-free and vegan, so I run into a lot of times where there's no food available around me and I'm hungry and I get hangry, and so I packed a little like thing of snacks just for, you know, the airport and stuff like that. And I'll replenish it as we go on. But I just want to make sure I'm never in a situation where I can't eat any of the things that are around me. So this just has like granola bars and stuff like that. Also, two very important things are my glasses. These are prescription glasses. I have my sunglasses and my normal glasses. This is all of our camera gear. Obviously we'll be taking that camera. We have GoPro, and then we have some GoPro accessories, the GoPro cords, stuff like that. Okay, so now for clothes. This is my tank top that I'm bringing. I actually got it from Forever 21. It's just a normal, just black tank top. It has a built-in bra on it. I have one tank top. I have one long sleeve shirt. I just got this off of Amazon. It's just a quick dry purple long sleeve shirt. I have two quick dry t-shirts. I actually got these from Costco, and they came in a pack of 2 for $7, so it's actually kind of nice. But yeah, so they're the same brand and everything. They're called 32 Degrees Cool, and they're really, really soft, and they don't wrinkle. They aren't gonna smell bad after just one use, you know. So I have a blue and a black quick dry t-shirt. And then the last shirt I have is this button down long sleeve shirt. This is like a, I don't know, like a hiking shirt material. I got it from off of Poshmark used. It's Eddie Bauer, and this will be nice for layering. I'm thinking like even when it's like not that cold outside, I can roll up the sleeves and layer it, or when it's cold, it can just be another layer on top of like a long sleeve shirt or whatever. And that's all of the shirts I'm bringing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts for 5 months. So that's gonna be interesting, but I've done it before, and really, like, you don't want to be carrying around all your clothes. That's the last thing you want. I'm bringing one bathing suit right here, bringing one dress. This is actually a dress from Patagonia. Yeah, this is the Patagonia dress. It's just a black long sleeve dress. You'll notice a lot of my things are a little bit like for colder weather, and that's because we're going to the Arctic Circle, and we're spending most of I'd say about half of our time up in like Scotland and Scandinavia and Arctic Circle, so it's gonna be cold. So most of my things I've just aired more on being able to wear during cold weather. So this is a perfect dress. Like, I can wear this dress out if I wanted to, but I could also wear it over my bathing suit. So it's kind of dual purpose. I have one pair of exercise shorts, and you'll notice a lot of my things are like black or gray or blue, and that's because they'll all match each other. So that was on purpose. I usually wear more color, but the black, it all matches each other, so I can mix and match. I don't have to wear the same outfit, the same shorts with the same shirt all the time. And now for my pants, I'm bringing 3 pairs of pants. These ones are from Athleta. I actually got them used off Poshmark as well. And then I have 2 pairs of leggings. Of course, leggings are so versatile while you're traveling because you can just wear them as pants, or you can layer them under your clothes, and wear them as like long underwear, or wear them as pajamas. So I have 2 pairs of leggings. I have a black pair and a gray pair. I also have a Patagonia, it's called a Better sweater. It's like a sweater material on the outside, and then it's fleece on the inside. This is the most comfortable like jacket I've ever owned. So this I'll be wearing on the airplane as well, because it doesn't really fold up very well. It's kind of big. But I figure I'll just wear it whenever I need to. This is also great for layering. I can layer this under a winter coat. I can layer this and then have like 4 or 5 layers underneath it because it's kind of baggy. And then I also have 2 knee braces. My knees have been bothering me recently, so these are kind of a must. I wish I didn't have to bring these, but unfortunately I do. So the bras I'm bringing are just 2 nude bras and a sports bra. I'm bringing 10 pairs of quick dry, like athletic kind of underwear, and they pack up really easily, so that's why I'm bringing so many, just in case we can't get to a laundromat or something like that within 10 days. I'll have clean underwear. This is actually my winter coat. How small it is. This is a Patagonia Nano Puff, I believe. It all fits into this little pocket. It's awesome. Blake has one of these as well. We got them actually on super sale at REI, and then we used our REI gift cards that we got for our wedding. So we didn't actually pay a cent for these, which they're usually like $250 coats. So this is our winter coat, our Patagonia winter coat. Well, my Patagonia winter coat. He has his own. We're not sharing a winter coat. And it, like I said, it folds right back into that pocket. I'm not going to do it right now, but it does. And another thing I thought this would be really good for is a pillow, like on an airplane, because it's really comfy and soft. And I'm not bringing like a neck pillow or anything like that because it's too much to carry for 5 months. So this is really cool. I'm bringing gloves. I'm bringing these adventure bands. We got this idea from the Bucket List family on YouTube. So they're basically like just like circle fabric, and you can use them as headbands. You can use them, you can like twist them and use them as beanies. You can use them as like a scarf. You can use them to cover your face if it's dusty. You can use them to cover your eyes, like an eye mask on, on an airplane or whatever. So these are super useful for traveling, and probably one of the most versatile thing that we're bringing. I'm also bringing obviously socks, but I'm actually not bringing that many socks because they're wool socks, so they can actually be worn multiple times and they're not going to stink. So I have this pair of wool socks. I have this pair of wool socks. They're smart wool, and both of these are longer, so they're better for like my hiking boots and stuff. And then I have one pair of short wool socks because, like I said before, my shoes can actually be worn without socks. So these are only for if it's really cold outside and I want to wear my shoes and want the double layer. Blake also has 2 pairs of these, so we're going to just be sharing the same socks. And then my hat too. Like I said, we're going to be going to the Arctic Circle, so most of this stuff is in preparation for that. And then last but not least for clothes are my long underwear. These will actually double as pajamas because as you can see, I didn't pack any pajamas because all of my things can kind of be worn as pajamas. So these will double as pajamas, but they can also be layers for when it's cold outside, and I can even wear the long sleeve shirt as a shirt. And I think that's it. It's not a lot of stuff. It seemed like a lot of stuff because I went through it all, but it's really not a lot of stuff. I'll show you guys how I pack it and how I really cram stuff in there. We have these packing cubes that we're gonna be using, and they're really helpful for when you have a backpack, so you could just pull the whole packing cube out without having to dig through your backpack and get everything. This is the moment I've been dreaming of my whole life. We got a long ride ahead, need to leave in no time. Hoping the better, 'cause I'm a fraction of myself. Running forever, I'll be if there is nothing there. Feel adventurous and brave for pain. When I'm with you, that's how I do. We are gonna run the night away. Now we are one. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is my water bottle. This is a silicone water bottle. It folds up. This is also so that I don't have to use plastic water bottles, and I have a stainless steel one, but that's too bulky. So this water bottle actually folds right up, and let me show you. Yeah, folds right up and it clips on to my backpack. So this is perfect. Now back to packing. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something. Make sure you travel light. It's really not fun to be lugging your stuff all around. It limits you on the adventures you can have. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because we're actually putting out a lot of really cool videos. We're doing a weekly video of our travels, and my husband's actually going to do a packing video as well, just the guide version. And I hope you guys have happy travels and adventures wherever you go.